In this video, you will learn about the word could. This topic is a part of verbs. As learned earlier, use could to talk about something you were able to do in the past. For example, I could jump high. And to ask for something in a polite manner. For example, could you lend me 500 rupees? Could is also used when you are in doubt of completing something. The word could creates a sense of doubt. For example, could I open the parcel? Or, could I leave early today? In these examples, the speaker is not sure if the other person will say yes. Could is the same for everyone you talk about. For example, I could jump high. You could jump high. He could jump high. And they could jump high. To create a positive sentence, begin with the pronoun. Add could and then the action word or verb. For example, I could jump high. To create a negative sentence, begin with a noun or pronoun, add could and not, and then the verb or action word. For example, I could not jump high. Or, we could not jump high. To form a question, start the sentence with could, add the noun or pronoun, and add the action for which you would like permission. For example, could I jump high? Or, could we go for coffee? Now you know how to use the word could to make sentences and questions.